What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a flash effect in CapCut. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up your CapCut project and then select the clip where you want to add the flash effect. So we're going to add it at the end of the first clip. Next, go to the top left corner and locate effects. We're going to click effects and then you can browse through the different options. For this specific effect, I'm going to search for flash, blink, or strobe. So we're going to search for flash. Once you hover over the effect, it will show you the different types of flash that can be used. Click on the effect that you would like to use and then you can preview your clip and save accordingly. And that's how you can add a flash effect to CapCut.